The best speciality of Mentimeter is to engage your audience and so on, right? It also has given few liner about Mentimeter itself. Build interactive presentation with an easy to use online editor, add questions, add polls, quizzes, slides and so on, right? So in this one I have already created few question. I'm going to show how it is done. So I'm just going my presentation, all I have already created, it will show up. So there are three set of polls I have created about Lean Six Sigma, feedback and Abra knowledge, formative assessment and so on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now present it. So whatever the answers I have collected, the answer will come in the screen. So this is on the Lean Six Sigma, the difference between Lean and Six Sigma. It has whatever the audience has given, like Lean is all about speed and Six Sigma is all about precisions